Well, welcome to another chapter of Home Fixing for Beginners Express. Today we're gonna do one of the most complicated tasks. Wait for it, replacing a toilet seat. So, as it is a pretty simple task actually, I was just trying to be dramatic. You wanna make sure you get the right type of toilet seat. A lot of toilets have the elongated type with a long cover, and this is actually a pretty good one that's high quality and it's not gonna fumble around like most cheap toilet seats. You can actually find this one in Amazon, hashtag millennial friendly. So let's get this started. You'll notice most toilet seats have like a little screw that you just undo with your hand in the bottom. You're gonna unscrew both sides. Might sometimes take a while because the screw is very long. Okay, so there we go. As you can tell, this is a pretty crappy toilet seat. It's got these plastic screws, plastic knobs, and they don't lock properly because of this curvy thing. So when it goes up, it's supposed to lock it in, but because this part is so small, it doesn't lock well enough. So you want to get a toilet seat like this one that has more solid screws with a longer inside part that's going to make it lock properly. So these screws are much better. This actually locks in really well through the bottom, and it's screwed with a metal screw, not one of those crappy plastic screws. This type of toilet seat that I bought has these things that lift up, so that allows you to put the screws from the bottom once it sticks out. Actually, you put the screw from the top and screwing this in from the bottom. Once it tightens, you just close this up back again. So this thing is gonna go with the tip up. Straight into the hole. Alternatively, instead of screwing it in from the bottom, you can also grab a screwdriver and hold the thing from the bottom while you screw it in from the top. That might have been easier from the very beginning actually. And there you go. You have a solid toilet seat. Look at that beauty. And last but not least, it has these two little things that you put on the top of the lid. Or actually now you put them in the bottom of the lid. It's this rubber that make the closing nice and quiet. One on each side. And boom. Look at that. Beautiful new toilet seat. This one's not gonna fiddle around like this crappy plastic one. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.